Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your computer using Local by Flywheel. It might sound technical, but it's actually really simple. So let's jump in. First, open up your browser and go to localwp.com. On the home page, you'll see a big button that says download for free. Click that and a form will pop up asking for some basic info like your name, email, platform, and the type of work that you do. So make sure to select Mac as your platform, then hit get it now, and then the download will start. Once it's done, open your downloads folder and double click the file. And on a Mac, the installer comes as a DMG file, so just drag the local app into your applications folder. That's it. Local is now installed. Now go to your applications, open the local app, and if macOS asks if you're sure you want to open it, just click open. And when local launches for the first time, you'll see the terms of the service. Just check the box to agree and then click I agree. Next, you'll see a welcome screen about creating a free account. An account gives you extras like cloud backups, but you can skip this if you just want to work locally. It might also ask about sending error reports, so pick whatever you're comfortable with. It won't change how the app works. And then click create a new site, and then a window pops up. Leave it on, create a new site, and click continue. Now name your site, so I usually keep it simple like test site or the project name. Local will generate the local domain and file path automatically based on that. So click continue again, and then you'll be asked to pick your environment, so just stick with preferred. This gives you the latest version of PHP, MySQL, and then the web server all set up to work together. Now it's time to set up WordPress. Enter a username, a password, and an email. These are details you'll use to log into your WordPress dashboard, so make sure you remember them. The rest of the settings can stay as they are. Click Add Site and Local will download WordPress and do all the setup for you. It might take a couple of minutes, so just let it run. Once it's done, you'll see your new site in the local dashboard. So to view it, open Site and then it will launch in your browser. If you want to go straight to WordPress dashboard, click WP admin and log in with the username and password that you just created. And that's it. WordPress is now running locally on your Mac. Now you can try out themes, install plugins, or just experiment without worrying about breaking a live site. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe the video for more simple how-to guides.